सो नाउ नेक्स्ट टॉपिक जो हम करेंगे आज, दैट इज वेट एप्लीकेशन ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर करेंसी फ्यूचर्स की एप्लीकेशन कैसे होती है, हाउ वी यूटिलाइज दिस करेंसी फ्यूचर्स. Again, let me ask one thing to you. What are the traders in derivative market? If I ask you, who all are the traders? Traders in derivatives market. तो क्या बताओगे आप? So, whatever whenever we talk about traders in derivatives market, we have hedger, we have arbitrager, and we have speculators. So in the same sense, we have to understand that how these different traders like hedgers, arbitrators and speculators utilize currency futures. वो लोग currency futures को कैसे use करके they actually minimize that. जैसे हम बात करें hedger की, so hedger is basically what? Minimization of risk. Hedging is what? Minimization of risk. So whatever risk is there in his transaction, he or she tries to minimize the risk. Arbitrator is the person. Arbitrage is a process, by making profit out of the price difference in two different markets. So he or she takes about takes the advantage of price difference. And speculator is totally taking risk, assuming risk and making profit. Right. So how these hedgers, speculators and arbitrators take the help of utilize the currency futures for their benefit, for whatever objective they have. They might have the objective of minimization of risk. They might have the objective of making profit from price differentials, and they might have the profit of assuming some amount of risk and then making some profit out of it. So let us take one case. I'm going to write one case over here, and we are going to analyze that case कि कैसे वो currency futures का use करके how they can make profit. So I'm going to write the case over here. So the case is like, in October 2019, PE Limited has exported goods. I request all of you to please start writing this case so that साथ के साथ आप लोग भी इसको note down कर लें, so that we can start discussing this immediately after we finish writing it. So the case is like, let me summarize it. October 2019 PE Limited ने कुछ goods export किए हैं and उनका amount कितना है? $30,000. It is going to definitely receive the payment, और payment dollars में ही आएगा by December. So September में, October में इन्होंने deal करी है and payment आएगा December में. So in October जो spot exchange rate है वो given है ₹65 per dollar, right? Whereas the rate of December futures on BSE, उसी टाइम पे जब उन्होंने अक्टूबर में फ्यूचर्स BSE पे जाकर देखा तो दिसंबर फ्यूचर्स के लिए ये रेट गिवन थी. Now show how this company called PE Limited can hedge its position. तो सबसे पहले तो ये बताइए, हमें ये आइडेंटिफाई करना पड़ेगा, we'll have to find out कि इसमें PE Limited को रिस्क क्या है. What is the risk this particular company is exposed to? This exporter is exposed to. So this company is actually, this exporter is actually exposed to a risk of this कि अगर दिसंबर में जब पेमेंट आया और पर डॉलर प्राइस इस 65 से नीचे चली गई तो फिर प्रॉब्लम आएगी. एंड सिंस एक्सचेंज रेट्स आर रियली वॉलेटाइल, इनका कुछ नहीं पता कि 65 से ऊपर जाएगी, 65 से नीचे जाएगी, डिपेंडिंग ऑन दी नेशनल एंड इंटरनेशनल इकोनॉमिक कंडीशंस ये ऊपर नीचे हो सकता है. So let us start solving it. Let us start सॉल्विंग इट और डिस्कसिंग इट. इस केस को कैसे हमें रिप्रेजेंट करना है और कैसे शो करना है. सो लेट अस फाइंड इट आउट. सो सबसे पहले लेट अस आइडेंटिफाई द रिस्क. सो द रिस्क इज दैट द PE लिमिटेड is exposed to a risk of volatility या risk due to volatility of exchange rate. He might have a loss if in December the exchange rate for USD INR goes below rupees 65, which is the current rate. ठीक है, उनको रिस्क होगी जब whenever he is actually he might be whenever the rate goes down, goes below to 65, he will be having a loss. So अब how to manage this risk, how to minimize this risk, वही हमारा solution है कि how he can hedge his position. So hedging can be done as follows. तो नाउ वापस इस पे आते हैं. हमने देख लिया कि ही इज एक्सपोज टू अ रिस्क कि 65 से नीचे अगर प्राइस जाती है तो ही माइट हैव अ लॉस. सो इन दैट केस हम यहाँ आते हैं. एक्सचेंज पे जाकर जब उन्होंने देखा अक्टूबर में ही, तो ये सिचुएशन थी 64.85 and 65.05. I am taking it like 64.85 and 65.05. This is the solution. This is the tool by which he can minimize his risk. जो भी उन्हें volatility की रिस्क है उससे ये मिनिमाइज कर सकते हैं. कैसे? Now in this case, what is 65.84 and what is 65.05? सबसे पहले तो हमें ये समझना पड़ेगा. We need to understand what is 64.85 sorry and what is 65.05. So this is basically the rate जिसमें ये वाली जो rate है, this is bid rate. If you remember, I told you what do we mean by bid rate and what do we mean by ask rate. एक होती है लॉन्ग पोजीशन और एक होती है शॉर्ट पोजीशन. अब हमें ये समझना है कि ये जो PE लिमिटेड है ये कौन सी पोजीशन लेंगे ताकि ये अपनी करंट पोजीशन को हेज कर सके, अपनी रिस्क को मिनिमाइज कर सके. लॉन्ग पोजीशन यू विल टेक व्हेन यू वांट टू बाय सम एसेट्स. कोई शेयर वगैरह आपको फ्यूचर में खरीदना हो तो आप लॉन्ग पोजीशन लेते हैं कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में. एंड शॉर्ट पोजीशन यू विल टेक व्हेन यू वांट टू सेल सम असेट इन फ्यूचर. लॉन्ग पोजीशन यू विल टेक व्हेन यू वांट टू बाय सम असेट इन फ्यूचर. शॉर्ट पोजीशन यू विल टेक व्हेन यू वांट टू सेल सम असेट इन फ्यूचर. नाउ व्हाट इज द केस ऑफ PE लिमिटेड? ही वांट्स टू बाय द डॉलर्स, सॉरी बाय द डॉलर्स और ही वांट टू सेल द डॉलर्स. We need to understand that in December he is going to receive $30,000 which he wants to convert into rupees. So he wants to sell the dollars. So what position he will take? Short or long? We'll write it like, first, since the PE Limited is going to receive dollars 30,000 in December, so he wants to book an exchange rate today at which he or the company it can sell the dollars in December. Is it right? Since the PE Limited is going to receive $30,000 in December, so he or the company it wants to book an exchange rate today at which the company can sell the dollars in December. It will take a short position in the contract in currency futures. So third point, सीधे, so it will take a short position in the contract which is in the currency futures at a strike price 64.85/65.05. This is bid rate at which the institution, the exchange will buy the dollars from you, and this is the rate at which they will sell the dollars to you, to company. So this PE Limited is a seller or a buyer? Seller. So he is going to sell the dollars to the exchange, to some third party. So वो किस रेट में exchange खरीदेगा? बिड रेट में. और बिड रेट क्या है? 64.85. Now you need to understand कि PE Limited is a buyer or a seller. So you will clearly say that in December he is going to receive $30,000, so he will have to sell the dollars. So when he has to sell the dollars, the other party will buy it. So when they will buy it, they will use the bid rate, which is 64.85. It will take a short position in the currency futures at a strike price of 64.85 per dollar for $30,000. So if it is a lot, let us assume the one lot of under this contract is equal to $1,000. एक लॉट में $1,000 हैं. So how many lots he will take? It will take 30 lots. Yes. So what will happen? That on the value date, which is in December, PE Limited will surely get rupees 64.85 per dollar for $30,000 it receives. In a summarized way, as a summary, PE Limited will receive 30,000 multiplied by 64.85 for sure. ये हुआ एप्लीकेशन ऑफ करेंसी फ्यूचर्स in hedging. So this is how the currency futures can be utilized to minimize the risk, to minimize whatever the risk is going to be there in your export import business. You are going to receive the payment after 3 months, after 2 months, and you are exposed to a risk कि अगर एक्सचेंज रेट कम हो गई, एक्सचेंज रेट डाउन हो गई, लाइक अभी 65 रुपीज़ है और जब मुझे पेमेंट मिला तब 60 रुपीज़ हो गई. सो यू हैव अ क्लियर कट लॉस ऑफ 5 रुपीज़ पर डॉलर. सो अगर डॉलर्स, नंबर ऑफ डॉलर्स ज़्यादा है, उसी हिसाब से आपका ये लॉस हाई ज़्यादा हो सकता है. तो इसको आप हेज कर सकते हो, इस रिस्क को आप मिनिमाइज कर सकते हो फ्यूचर्स, करेंसी फ्यूचर्स का यूज़ करके. यू कैन कम इन टू अ करेंसी फ्यूचर्स कॉन्ट्रैक्ट of selling the dollars at a particular price, so you can book that price ki whatever the conditions in the market, I am going to receive this much of amount in future. So this is how the currency futures can be used in hedging by the exporters or the importers. I hope ये आपको समझ में आया होगा.